Hey everyone, so are your Airtable records not updating? Maybe you change a field but the update doesn't save or other users can't see the changes. Yeah, that can be pretty frustrating, especially when you're managing shared data. In this video, I'll show you several ways to fix the Airtable record not updating problem in 2026, and most of these fixes only take a few minutes. First, check your internet connection. Airtable needs a stable connection to sync record updates in real time. Next, refresh the base or reload the page. Sometimes the update actually saves, but the interface doesn't refresh automatically. Make sure you have permission to edit records. If your role is viewer or commenter, Airtable won't allow you to update data. Sometimes automations or synced tables overwrite your changes. Check if an automation or external sync is updating the same record. If you're using Airtable in a browser, clear your cache and cookies. Old browser data can sometimes prevent updates from appearing correctly. You can also try opening the base on another browser or device. This helps determine whether the issue is related to your current browser. If you're using the Airtable desktop or mobile app, try restarting or updating it. Running the latest version often fixes record update issues. And that's it. Most Airtable record update problems can be fixed by checking your internet connection, verifying permissions, or refreshing the base. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.